Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make poached eggs in a microwave. First, gather your ingredients: 1 fresh egg, a microwave-safe mug or bowl, and about 1/2 cup of water. Place the water into your chosen container. Then, gently crack your egg directly into the water, ensuring the yolk remains intact. This simple setup is key to achieving perfectly poached eggs quickly and easily, ready for your breakfast or brunch. Once your egg is in the water, cover the mug or bowl with a small plate or a microwave-safe lid. This helps to steam the egg evenly and prevents splattering. Microwave on high for approximately 45 to 60 seconds. Cooking times can vary significantly depending on your microwave's wattage, so you might need to experiment a little to find your ideal setting for a perfectly runny yolk. For firmer egg whites, consider adding a small splash of white vinegar to the water before microwaving. After the initial cooking time, let the egg rest in the hot water for about 1 minute. This allows it to finish cooking gently without overdoing it. Finally, use a slotted spoon to carefully lift the poached egg from the water, draining any excess liquid. Serve immediately on toast or with your favorite dish. If your yolk is still too runny for your liking, simply microwave for an additional 5 to 10 seconds. If your egg explodes, which can happen, try reducing the cooking time or using a lower power setting next time. Practice makes perfect. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly poached eggs, a quick and delicious addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.